First of all, good morning to everyone. Students, today I'm going to start a new chapter, word processing. This is the part of Office automation tool. I hope you all are aware of Microsoft Word. Today, I'm going to start OpenOffice.org writer. You know, this is your open source software. If I'm saying OpenOffice, then it is open source software. But if I'm talking about the MS Office, it is proprietary software. It is paid software. You cannot get Microsoft Office free, but OpenOffice, you can download it from the site free. You have to not pay, my dear. Just you see, OpenOffice Writer is a popular open source software for word processing. Like we are having Writer, here we have Microsoft Word. If I'm talking about OpenOffice Calc, then here in MS Office you have spreadsheet, that is Microsoft Excel. Here you have Impress, there in MS Office we have PowerPoint. Okay, it can be downloaded from internet and installed for free. And one more thing, this OpenOffice can be downloaded on Windows based machine or Linux based machine. Okay, the document is stored as a file in the computer with the extension .odt. If I'm talking about writer, then your extension will be .odt. But what's about MS Word? What the extension is added? .doc and then X. This is the extension. Now, a word processing software is required for the creation of documents that are text-based. It has tools that allows the user to edit, format, and print document. A Word document may also contain pictures and table. It may be a report, letter, drawing, or web pages. Now, students, I hope these all topics you are already knowing. Yes, like in MS Word, that is 2010, we are having the tabs, home tab, view tab, like that one. Same way here we have, but we have the concept of menus. When you will click on file, you will be getting list of options, edit, views, like that. Now, next part is ruler bar. Let me open OpenOffice. I have already installed, my dear. I have already installed OpenOffice. Now, what I will do after clicking on OpenOffice, I will be getting a window. Listen, my dear, in MS Office, what we were doing? In MS Office, if I have to work on Word, then we go and open Microsoft Word. But in OpenOffice, yes, you will be getting the list of softwares. You see, if I'm talking about the text document, it's just like your word processing software. If I'm talking about the spreadsheet, It is just for your calculation work. Like in MS Office, we are having what the software, MS Excel, same concept we have here, but the name we have spreadsheet. Presentation, that is a PPT slides. Okay. Now, one by one, I'm going to discuss, my dear. First topic, that is text document, that is related with my word processing. So once I will click on this one, I will be getting my Open Office Writer windows explode on the screen. You can see it. There you have the concept of menus. You can see file, edit, view, insert, format, tables, tools, windows. So these all are what? These all are my, yes, menus. Now, after that, you can see, my dear, you can see this ruler bar. Why we use the ruler bar? I hope everyone is knowing. If you want that, what is my width of my line? What is, yes, the number of, yes, number of lines, yes, in a page. Understood? I want to know what is the distance between my two letters. So these all you can know it by the help of ruler bar. You can see this is your ruler bar. This is the horizontal one, and this one is your vertical one. Okay. Now the next part you can see at the bottom. This is status bar. Okay. It is showing you the page number. Just now I have only opened the first page, so it is showing page one by one. But if I will work on 10 pages, and if I am, my cursor is waiting on page one, it will show page 1/10. Okay. Now, next part you can see, my dear. Wait, let me. Yes. Now, next part, this is the working area. You can see this line, this box which you see, my dear. This is my working area. Okay. So these are the topics which you already knowing. You are having the standard toolbar, formatting toolbar, that all you have in Open Office Writer also. Now, my first part is file menu. So main part I am going to discuss, my dear. Yeah, so first topic is new. Everyone is knowing what is new. To open a new. Open a new what? The Now, open a new word, text document, spreadsheet, presentation, drawing, or database. I am working in Open Office Writer, so I will go and click on text document. But from here, you can go to, yes, your in a spreadsheet, go to your presentation also. Understood? Now, I have got my document name untitled 2. Why it is showing? Because untitled 1 is already open. Just you see, I'm closing this one. Now see, untitled 1 has come. Now, open, you all are knowing, if suppose a file that is saved, that file we have to open it, then we will use open one. Now, recent document, whichever the document you have worked and saved, that list of documents will be shown here. Okay. Now, wizard, you have to not know close. If you want to close, listen, my dear, close and exit both are different. If I'm talking about the close and exit, both are different. If I will use the close, what will happen? My document will be closed. But if my file is not saved, document is not saved, it will say me to save the file. Once the file will be saved, yes, your file only will be closed, but your Open Office Writer window will not be closed. But when I'm talking about the exit one, both will work. It will close your document as well as it will let you quit from Open Office Writer also. Clear? Now, the next part, that is a save. Save and save as. Listen, my dear, both are different. Both works, what? Both are used to save the file, but save is to save the existing file and save as to save the same file with other name. Now, one more option is there, save all. See straight, if you will use save, only your current document will work. It will be saved. But when I will use save all, what will happen? My current document will be saved. If I have opened some more document, that also going to be saved one by one. That means if suppose, wait, let me show it. Just now my first document I have not saved. Okay. Now I'm going to work on the next document. So I will use new text document. Untitled 2 has come. Now there also I have written, and here I'm showing here document 2 so that you can understand it. One more document I'm going to open, and here I'm writing document 3. Okay. Now I'm going to save document 3 using save all. What will happen? Will document 2 will be shown or not? Yes, it will be shown after saving. File, save all. Now let me save this one, ABC. Now this I'm saving. Yes, of which document? Document 3. Now just wait. Now what it is showing? Next one, it is showing of document 2, that is untitled 2. You can see here. It is showing untitled 2. So I am writing XYZ. Now when I will save here, it will show untitled 1. See, automatically it will come. It is coming. I think doc unit an untitled 1 I have saved it. That's why it is showing untitled 3. Now here I am using QWE. Okay. Now where it is saved, you can see it, my dear. Where it is saved, in which location? Document. Okay. Save. Now I want to see whether XYZ, ABC and QWE is saved or not. Just now you see. Click on file. Go to the recent document. Now you can see it, my dear. Let me open my document. Now you can watch here, my dear. You can watch ABC, QWE and XYZ. That 3 files which were not saved earlier, having the name untitled 1, untitled 2, untitled 3. I saved these 3 all by using a single command, that is save all. Now my next topic is, these are not for you. Now export, import and export. If suppose I want this file to be saved as the PDF file, then you can use export as a PDF. Understood? All or few pages that you want, this is up to you, and after that you will click on export one. Now the next one is send. Yes, where you want to send this document as an email. Yes, then you can do it. Now properties, this is related with your file. You see how many pages? 1, number of tables 0, all the report it is showing. Now next part, digital signature, you have to not know. Now preview in web browser. I want to publish this page, yes, as a web page yes, to a website, then how it will look it, yes, that I want to judge it, then click on preview in web browser. Now it will be shown like this. You can see it. This is a web browser. It will be shown like this way. Now the next part, that is page preview. You know, I want to check it before printing. I want to check my document, whether my document is, yes, actually fit nicely on my page or not. If it is not fit, then I have to set the margin, left margin, right margin, top margin, bottom margin, so that my text will fit properly in A4 size paper. Print, you know, to print the document. Understood? And printer setting, that means related with your printer, whatever the setting you want. Suppose I want to change the printer. If suppose I'm having LX258, I want to have LX1050, you can change it. And exit, I hope everyone is knowing. Just now I have explained file, yes, close, and file exit. I hope these topics will help you a lot. Thank you, my dear.